Hi, this is Perry from the Hampton Network, back again with another video. So one thing I want to talk to you guys today about is how to make money online, by typing names online, which is available worldwide. As you can see, you can, actually, earn $300, just by typing names online. That sounds, kind of exciting to me. So I wanted to kind of bring you guys a video and kind of let you know how this works. So going into the presentation here, so what you can expect. You're going to learn exactly how this works, and you can earn up to $300 per day just simply type in names online. I'll show you how to get started, and you can also get started instantly. This, once again, it works worldwide. It is free to start. You don't need a website, or you don't have to bother with an email list. This also works both on your mobile phone or your laptop computer, so you can essentially do this from anywhere in the world. You can be out on the beach, and you can just start typing names online and earning money. And you also get paid via PayPal, so that's very convenient. So what's the website? The name of the website is called squadhelp.com, and as you can see here, it's a legitimate website, and you can also see some of the reviews below. And on the top review here, you can see they got a rating of 4.9, over 2,345 reviews. So there's just a lot of reviews on this site, and like I said, it is a legitimate website and it's not difficult to use. So let's go to the next slide and I'll show you some more results from people using the sites. So here are results from other people using the website, and you can see they made $300 here, $300 here, $300 here. Pretty consistently they've made $300 just by typing business names and pretty much doing other things, but primarily just typing business names. And I'll go into it later when I give you a demo. So what you should do now, so there's literally hundreds of these people online using Squad Help to make money. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to Squad Help and get signed up. I'll show you that on the demo. Once you log in, or once you've signed up, go to the home page, and you'll see that people are going to want business names. And additionally, they're going to want help creating logos, taglines, slogans, and other things as well. So basically, a lot of business owners who need help with creating a name, they'll go to this site so they can find people like you to help them. So this is actually a great opportunity for you to, make some money. And so you can also invest back in yourself and or your business. And I'll be talking about that a little more later. And also, this is pretty popular right now because there's so many online businesses that, can't really think of new names. So they reach out, to you for help. So what I'm going to do now is go and give a quick demo. I'll give you a brief demo of how the site works here, so bear with me. Let me go to the site. So here I'm on the website. Once again, it's squadhelp.com. So all you really have to do is go here, and what you'll want to do first is sign up if you don't already have an account. Then you go to create an account. What you do is fill in all the information here. It's very easy, so we don't have to go through that. You'll want to join as either bio or creative, but probably if you're just getting started, you want to join as a creative. And it also says I plan to submit names, ideas, logo designs, or sell domains in the domain marketplace. That's all you do. Once you do that, you go ahead and create your account. You can come in. I want to kind of show you the active contests that are currently, currently going on right now. As you can see, these are closed because I want you to actually, I wanted to show you the results. So this one here, they need a name for a cold pressed juice bar. As you can see, there were over 1,300 entries. This one is closed. And what you want to do when you're looking for these, make sure it says guaranteed prize. That means they have to pay you, or whoever the winner is, once the contest is over. So I went ahead and selected this cold pressed juice bar here. And you can see this is the contest type. They tell you a naming. They want a company name. The title of the project is they need a name for cold pressed juice bar. What's their business brand? Is we make cold pressed juices. Do they want a .com URL? They said yes, but minor variations are allowed. Except the domains extension, they only want a .com. Once again, you see the type of business, juice bars and smoothies. It's very important that you look at the additional details here, because some folks, if you don't follow their additional details, you won't win the contest. So please make sure you just follow the additional details. In this particular business, give you kind of names of what they like. So this is very helpful when you start to actually create a business name. So, and then they go further on. They got maximum of words, letters, and premium domains allowed. No. So after that, what you want to do to help you out, here's a hack for you. So some of us may be able to, just think of a name off the bat, off the top of our head, but others, we may need, some help. So what I've done here, you can go to Google and type in business name generator. And as you can see, I've already went here, and the URL is just businessnamegenerator.com. So I just typed in juice because it's a juice and cold press company. You can also select industry, but really you want to just do juice. And you can see these are some names that have been generated for you. These will give you ideas on, what you may want to submit for the contest. Juice Vibrance, that kind of stands out. Juice Village, Juice Essential, Juice Living, Juice Confidence. So you can find some really good names just by simply going to this free tool called Business Name Generator. So this will definitely help you out here. So what I want to do now is kind of show you some recent contest winners. You can see, as in my screenshot in the presentation, $300, $200, go further on, $200 here, $300, $300. So you can see this actually works, and people are earning money with this. So I wanted to go by I want to show you the leaderboard here of folks who've been doing this for a while. As you can see, the amount that they've earned over time. It's just a lot of money that you can earn if you have the time, or if you put in the time and effort to doing this. So this is just one way you can make money. But what you'll want to do is, once you start making money with Squad Help, you'll certainly want to invest in yourself. And what I'm going to do is, in the description below, I'm going to put a link to a great opportunity for training and coaching on how to start your own business online. This is going to be my #1 recommended source for starting your business online. They'll walk you through the entire process. It pretty much starts at $7, so you can take the money that you earn from Squad Help and just get simply started on this business. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below, and I certainly hope you guys certainly are able to make a lot of money with Squad Help. But you'll want to take the money that you earn in Squad Help to invest in yourself, and just join this business opportunity that I have below, and they'll take you through step by step. You'll get your own coaches. They'll help you with your business plan. They will help you with everything step by step. It's only $7 to start. You're basically going to go through an online business challenge. It's a 15-day challenge. Once you get through that, you'll have access to matter of fact, during that process of the 15-day business challenge, you'll have access to a coach pretty much every day as part of the challenge. So please take a look down in the description, click that link. And also, if you like the contents of the video, if you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, you want to click on that notification bell so you can be informed of, or actually notified, when we do future videos. So with that, I'll go ahead and close the video out, but I want to thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good day.